Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AnimeCoin. Now the AnimeCoin is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 23rd, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the AnimeCoin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is on the Arbitrum blockchain and the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it on Arbiscan and Etherscan. Now their webpage is anime.xyz, and they have a Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here. Their Twitter also, you can see, has a link to the webpage there, anime.xyz, and you can find this Twitter at AnimeCoin. They have 126,900 Twitter followers. So it's a huge project here. Gold verified checkmark, 196 tweets. And it was just announced that this token will be listed tomorrow, January 23rd at 14 hours UTC time. The AnimeCoin will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section tomorrow and search anime. And then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So AnimeCoin aims to transform the global anime industry into a community-owned creative network. As the culture coin of the anime industry, AnimeCoin will power a digital economy where 1 billion global fans can shape and own a future of anime. Through the full-stack anime approach, combining original IP creation, mainstream distribution, and purpose-built infrastructure, AnimeCoin will underpin an unprecedented creative ecosystem that enables the world's most passionate fandom to be owners of future anime. So, the foundation, it's the AnimeCoin Foundation, a Cayman Islands foundation company. And they have early contributors like Azuki Labs Incorporated, a Delaware corporation, creators of the anime-inspired Azuki NFT collection, and early contributors of the project. So AnimeCoin looks to revolutionize the global anime industry. Anime is growing fast. It's an industry that's anticipated to grow 15% plus annually to $60 billion by 2030. Exceeding the size of the global music industry and global box office sales combined, and along with K-dramas, is one of the fastest growing media segments globally. So it's not just media. Importantly, even though anime is one of the fastest growing media genres of all time, it's also rapidly expanding its commercial impact just media, beyond just media and traditional box office sales. So anime also has an exceptional overlap with Web3 culture and interest, as evidenced by Azuki, a leading Web3 anime IP. Now, anime's relative dominance within NFTs and its prevalence in Web3 PFPs, memes, and culture is undeniable. However, the industry faces challenges: fragmented consumer experience across discovery, streaming, and community, limited fan participation in value creation, outdated monetization models, underserved global markets, especially younger demographics. So the Foundation's mission is to democratize anime, creating a more inclusive and participatory industry where fans and creators can own a piece of the success that they helped build. This vision is realized via the full stack anime strategy and a targeted growth plan focusing on Web2 anime fans. Now, the strategy is designed to create a flywheel effect where each component fuels the growth of the others. By seamlessly integrating blockchain infrastructure, consumer platforms, and IP, full stack anime ensures that as more users and developers join, the network becomes increasingly valuable and self-sustaining. So AnimeChain is an L3 blockchain leveraging Arbitrum Orbit technology with AnimeCoin as the custom gas token. This setup simplifies the experience for Web2 anime fans. They only need AnimeCoin while also allowing for gasless transactions for seamless onboarding. Now, onboarding Web2 users through consumer products is essential to trigger the flywheel effect. A large user base attracts more teams to build on the network, which in turn brings in even more users. So the Foundation understands that achieving the scale needed for optimal flywheel effects requires a strong focus on Web2 users. And in the early stages of AnimeCoin's ecosystem, the early contributors will have an important role in creating the flagship dApp, anime.com, aiming to do for anime what Discord did for gaming, becoming the dominant social layer for the entire anime industry. And additional first and third-party apps with a focus on quality and alignment will round out every early ecosystem. IP development creates the foundation for the cultural energy and powers the entire stack, and IP is the layer that ties various pieces together, uniting the community's passion for AnimeCoin. Now, if you want to read about the whole infrastructure, distribution, content, and future, you can check out their white paper at anime.xyz/blueprint. And I believe this token is getting a bunch of very big central exchange listings. I think Bitmart, KUCOIN. I saw a couple other ones, I believe. But yeah, definitely MEXC Global. You can find it listed on MEXC tomorrow, January 23rd, 14 hours UTC time. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.